Good day. Welcome to my class and welcome to my channel. Today, we are to discuss technical terms used in research from our Pivot for a Learner's Packet or LEAP. I am your subject teacher, Dr. Janare V. Consignado, and I know that you are all excited to learn new things today. I hope you prepared the following materials: notebook, paper, pen, and of course, our Pivot for a Learner's Packet or LEAP. Our most essential learning competency is distinguish technical terms used in research. That is our milk. I for introduction. 50 minutes. What is research? Research is a process of systematic inquiry or inquiry, both are acceptable, that entails collection of data, documentation of critical information, and analysis and interpretation of data or information in accordance with suitable methodologies set by specific professional fields and academic disciplines. Research is conducted to evaluate the validity of a hypothesis or an interpretive framework, to assemble a body of substantive knowledge and findings for sharing them in appropriate manners, and to generate questions for further inquiries. As a grade 10 student, you are expected to create a basic research. But before planning and coming up with the different parts of your study, it is just appropriate to be familiar with some of the terms in research writing. Although some terms you will meet while researching are not listed below, these jargons are likewise the common and useful ones to know and learn beforehand. Through this, you will become ready once you finally use them as you investigate for some problems or issues of your interest. These are the terms: abstract, applied research, basic research, conceptual definition, concepts, constitutive definition, control group, correlational study, data, delimitations, dependent variable, descriptive study, experiment, experimental group, external validity, extraneous, heterogeneous, homogeneous, independent variable, hypothesis, inductive reasoning, deductive reasoning, internal validity, introduction, limitations, measures of central tendency, mean, median, methodology, mode, null hypothesis, operational definition, participant, principal investigator, population, purpose of the study, random, qualitative research, quantitative research, questionnaire, random sample, research, research design, research methodology, relationship, sample, significance of the study, standard deviation, statement of the problem, statistical analysis, statistical significance, statistics, T-score, subject, T-test, theory, validity, and variable. These are the terms in research. D. Development, 45 minutes. Activity 1. What is research? Directions. Determine further the meaning and function of research by reading the paragraphs below. In doing so, arrange the jumbled letters of some terms to understand research even better. That is our activity 1. When researchers are interested in examining a problem using a scientific approach, it is said that they are doing a blank. The people who are being studied are called blank. The person who oversees the research is called the blank investigator. The building blocks of theories are called blank. An abstract generalization that presents a systematic representation about relationships among phenomena is called a blank. The concepts that are studied are called blank. The concept that is being studied that usually indicates the influence or cause is called the blank variable. The concept that the researcher is most interested in understanding is called the blank variable. Variables that may influence or contaminate the data are called blank variables. If the group that is being studied is very different or varied, the group is said to be blank, while groups that are very similar are called blank groups. When studying variables, definitions must be clarified. A variable such as anxiety may be defined as a feeling of uneasiness. This is called a blank definition. To measure anxiety, the state trait anxiety scale might be used. A blank is a statement written by the researcher that states the relationship among or between variables. There are 2 major categories for research designs. One design, the blank approach, uses data that has numerical representation or values. The second design, blank, uses narrative data. Blank reasoning is the basis for quantitative approach. The bond or connection between 2 variables is called a blank. Research that is conducted to generate knowledge that influences or improves practice is called blank research. Research that tests theories is known as blank research. Activity 2. What's the term? Directions. Distinguish the research terms being asked in each item. That is our activity 2. 1. The people who are being studied in a research. 2. Accuracy. The extent to which a test or study measures what it is supposed to measure. That's number 2. Number 3. Everybody has the same chance of being assigned to any group. That is our number 3. Number 4. A measure of spread. The average deviation of a group of scores from the mean. That is number 4. Number 5. Mathematical tools based on the normal curve used to analyze data. That's number 5. Number 6. An important finding that did not likely happen by chance. That is number 6. Number 7. The method for finding out what the researcher wants to know, experiment, or correlate. That is number 7. Number 8. A quality of interest that can be manipulated, observed, or studied. That is number 8. Number 9. A smaller group that represents population of interest. That is number 9. Number 10. uses data and with numerical representation or values. That is our number 10. Letter E, engagement, 55 minutes. We have across and down. 3. Research that tests theories. Number 5. Accuracy, the extent to which a test or study measures what it is supposed to measure. 9. All of a group of interest. Number 10. Research that is conducted to generate knowledge that improves practice. Number 12. Variables that may influence or contaminate the data. 13. A smaller group that represents population of interest. 15. A variable or concept being studied that usually indicates the influence or cause, the one that the researcher is manipulating. 16. A reasoning that is the basis for the qualitative research approach. 18. Very different or varied group. And 19. The people who are being studied. Down. Number 1. The band or connection between two variables. Number 2. By chance. Number 4. The group that does not get the treatment. Number 6. Equality of interest or concepts that can be manipulated, observed, or studied. Number 7. Uses data that have numerical representation or values. Number 8. Information can be number or words. Number 11. A systematic way to generate facts. Number 12. The group that gets the treatment. 14. The arithmetic average. And last but definitely not the least, number 17. The building blocks of theories. There you have it. Now, Activity 4. Mystery Word Challenge. Directions. Answer the following items. Using a specific letter from each answer, unlock the mystery word. Number 1. It is a tentative explanation based on theory to predict a causal relationship between variables. Take the last letter of your answer and put it in the last box. Number 2. This is the application of statistical processes and theory to the compilation, presentation, discussion, and interpretation of numerical data. Take the second letter of your answer and put it in the 7th box. Number 3. This refers to a part of research which identifies the potential weaknesses of a study. Take the 6th letter of your answer and put it in the 6th box. Number 4. It tells the reader what you hope to accomplish regarding the problem by carrying out your study. Take the 3rd letter of your answer and put it in the 5th box. Number 5. It involves specific techniques that are adopted in research process to collect, assemble, and evaluate data. It defines those tools as well as the approximate timeline for completion of the study. Take the 10th letter of your answer and put it in the 4th box. That is number 5. And our number 6, this is the target group of the research. Take the 10th letter and put it in the 3rd box. That is our number 6. And our number 7, It is another term for participants. Take the fifth letter and put it in the second box. That is number 7. Number 8. It is a systematic investigation and study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. Take the 7th letter of your answer and put it in the first box. The mystery word is A. Assimilation, 45 minutes. Knowing research terms. Making research. Directions in relation to the lesson and activities on research terms. Explain their importance to making research by interpreting the image on the left. And assessment, 35 minutes. Activity 6, matching terms. Directions, match the definitions in column A to its appropriate research terms in column B. Column A. Number 1. It addresses how the study will be narrowed in scope. Number 2. Structured sets of questions on specified subjects that are used to gather information. Number 3. The arithmetic average. Number 4. The basic dictionary meaning. Number 5. A brief overview of a research study. Number 6. Refers to how a word is used in a study. Number 7. In experiments, the one that does not get the treatment. Number 8. Information can be number or words. Number 9. The one that gets the treatment. Number 10. Research design that describes what is. Number 11. A research design used to find cause and effect relationships. And number 12, the variable the researcher is manipulating. That is our column A. Our references. For lesson and activities, and of course, for our illustrations. And pivot for a learner's packet or lip. Special thanks to Miss Lucinda A. Horilia and Mr. Alfonso V. Mabuting. Thank you very much. Do you have questions? Kindly use the comment section. And please like this video. Handang isip, handa bukas. Sama-sama sa pagsulong ng edukalidad. I am Miss Janet Ray Consignado, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Stay safe, healthy, and happy. Bye-bye.